Welcome to our interior design guide on how to decorate your laundry room with white cabinets. In this video, we'll show you creative ways to make the most of your laundry space using various components. First, let's start with the base cabinets and countertops. These form the foundation of your laundry room. Use them to store laundry supplies and provide a convenient folding area. Cabinet doors and knobs offer a chance to add a personal touch. You can choose from a variety of styles and colors to match your decor. Maximize your storage space with shelves and pegboard inserts. These are perfect for organizing cleaning supplies, detergents, and other essentials. Cabinet pulls make it easy to access your cabinets. Meanwhile, a lazy Susan inside a cabinet corner ensures nothing gets lost in the back. A backsplash protects your walls from splashes and adds a stylish touch. Proper lighting fixtures brighten up the space and make laundry tasks easier. For added convenience, consider a pull-out hamper to keep dirty laundry out of sight. A foldable drying rack is a space-saving solution for air-drying clothes. An ironing board cabinet keeps your ironing essentials neatly tucked away. Finish the look with crown molding for that polished appearance. Lastly, a utility sink is a versatile addition. It's perfect for hand-washing delicate items or tackling other cleaning tasks. By using these components creatively, you can turn your laundry room into a functional and beautiful space. Don't be afraid to mix and match to achieve the perfect look that suits your style and needs. Thank you for watching, and happy decorating!